Order.
Ready, roll sound. Tap it.
24B by shot 1, take 1.
Clap.
And action.
Me and Kunal had been speaking about a lot of movies and उसके पास काफ़ी सारी scripts थी. A lot of them were very developed also. फिर ऐसे ही over a cup of coffee one day he said यार एक idea है मेरे पास जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है but it's not developed at all. It's just a one line.
Actually, this idea has been with me for quite a while because we always talk about soulmates. When someone's very, very romantic, they always talk about soulmates. He's my soulmate. So I just kept thinking, what is a soulmate?
तो he said कि यार हम लोग यूजुअली रीइंकार्नेशन की फिल्में देखते हैं कि दो लोग जो पास्ट लाइफ में मिल नहीं पाए मर के फिर पैदा हुए, थोड़ी ड्रामेटिक होती हैं, थोड़ी सीरियस होती हैं.
और ये वर्ड सुन के आप ये मत समझिएगा कि पुनर्जन्म की कोई पिक्चर है. पुनर्जन्म की पिक्चर नहीं है.
जब साथ फेरे लेते हैं शादी के टाइम तो पीपल से जन्म जन्म का साथ. सो यू आर सपोज्ड टू हैव 7 लाइफटाइम्स टुगेदर.
But it's about how you meet the same person in different eras, in different lifetimes, in different worlds.
इन एवरी लाइफ टाइम आपकी लव स्टोरी कैसे होगी, आप लोग कैसे मिले होंगे, वॉट वुड योर नेम बी, वुड यू बी पंजाबी, वुड यू बी गुजराती, वुड यू बी हिंदू, वुड यू बी मुस्लिम, वुड यू बी टॉल, वुड यू बी शॉर्ट, कहाँ आप मिले होंगे उस लड़की से, किस तरह आप लोगों की पहली मुलाकात हुई होगी, किस तरह आप लोगों की रिलेशनशिप आगे बढ़ी होगी.
You keep meeting the same friends, the same lovers, the same people, till you actually come across the one person who you're meant to be with.
So there's so many possibilities which were there that I thought it was a very interesting concept.
It's a beautiful script. I love the story of Teri Meri Kahani. I love the fact that it's 3 love stories which converge into one.
I think we were charged and excited and knew that this is the next film that we want to make.
Lamb chop.
Hide and enter my van and like do stuff now while I'm changing and do these things. No. Okay, now you're recording what I'm saying right now also. You know?
You sure? Please put it on. You must
No,
enter this van.
No. उसका कैमरा ऐसा टर्न हो गया. No.
No, you follow my face, she's recording.
मेरा करियर बर्बाद करके रहेगा ना. वो रिलेटेड टू ना, है ना? स्ट्रेटजी है ना तेरी.
And then come.
Oh, Tiger making the move.
We did a lot of research actually for 1960 and for 1910. For that, my director of photography Sunil Patel and the production designer Munish Sappal, they really contributed a lot.
We've done a bit of research on our individual levels. I remember I used to download pictures of 1910 Punjab, and then 1960s, of course, Bollywood was the main premise of that period. So we were all aware of the old films.
ये क्रैश का ट्रैक है. इसको थोड़ा बढ़ाओ. ये रोड थोड़ा छोटा है, ये रोड थोड़ा बड़ा है. ये रोड को थोड़ा बढ़ाओ.
1910 को रिक्रिएट करना था, 1960 को रिक्रिएट करना था मुंबई के लिए. हर उस चीज़ का ख्याल रखने की कोशिश की है जो उस वक्त के साथ सही जुड़ता है. उस वक्त के जिस तरह के रेफरेंस हमें मिले अलग अलग फिल्मों के, उसके आधार पर हमने वो रिक्रिएट करने की कोशिश की.
Yeah, this is what I want.
Because we wanted to find the right locations, hire the right team, meet with the right people, get the correct look, whether it's costume.
Manish Malhotra, my costume designer, even did a lot of research.
Teri Meri Kahani is an extremely exciting film as a designer. To do 1910 period look.
You know, when we were doing the research for 1910, the most interesting thing was the look of 1910. The ladies would dress up with the dupattas on their heads and very delicate jewelry, a lot of pulkari. So Manish Malhotra made sure that the clothes were very authentic and the colors were very Indian and very bright.
Then to come to 1960s, which is a phase which fascinates me. Because I think the 60s was so classic and everything was so restrained, and a lot of it today is back in style. Then of course we did the whole 2012, the preppy feel. Today costumes have changed. I mean, you've got to wear clothes which are very day-to-day, believable, which a girl would get inspired to say, oh, I want to wear that. So that kind of stuff. So that's what it is, and we really enjoy doing it.
character iStyle. There is Shahid in 1910, Shahid in 1960 and 2012. They're all three completely different characters. And added to that, the thought wasn't about keeping them really, really different from each other. But the idea was to keep them as real as possible in that space. Keeping in mind that it's a commercial rom-com.
Very nice. This is looking super.
Mickey Contractor, who's one of the finest makeup artists in this country, he did a lot of research also on the kind of makeup that is used at that time.
I wanted the makeup to be very, very subtle, hardly any makeup. So that was the brief that they had, that, you know, the no makeup looks are the most difficult looks to do because you are wearing makeup but it should look like no makeup.
All of them needed time to be able to come up with the correct look. So everybody in the team needed a lot of time and we were ready to give them that time. So yes, we spent a lot of time in prep, getting everything right before we jumped into shooting blindly.
है ना, इस टेक की परफॉर्मेंस वाइज बेटर था ना साहब.
एक ही फिल्म 3 बार बनती है. पहली बार जब आप फिल्म को लिखते हो, दूसरी बार जब आप फिल्म को शूट करते हो और तीसरी बार जब आप फिल्म को एडिट करते हो. तो लिखने में मुझे आई थिंक अबाउट 4-5 महीने लग गए, शूटिंग में 4-5 महीने लग गए और एडिटिंग में भी 4-5 महीने लग गए.
Because now when we see the final product and we are glad we gave it the kind of detailing that it required.
Very nice, very nice. Very nice.
To watch more, log on to www.erosnow.com.